performance. Anything above 36 to 40 under floodlight this ground definitely dependable. That's why fielding team Katte friends Kuppepadu. They need economy. Oh, that's a far away outside off stamp. Normally he's a very good bowler. Very consistent with the line of the ball, but this occasion he bowled that third wide of the over. Now some people came having some word with the bowler Mustafa Bajal there. This is advantage having left hand right hand combination. We always say in the commentary box, the team having left hand right hand combination top of the order, that will when the strikes are rotating, bowler just need to change the line. In that moment, sometime this will happening. One from the down the leg side, another too far outside the off stump. He bowled that. 8 on the board, 4 ball completed. Last 2 ball remaining. Oh, this time waiting for the umpire signal. This getting worse and worse as the team reach now double digit. 10 on the board. The next match, Friends Bajal taking against Malingeshwara Karkala. I request both team, all the member, please complete the signed official chart. Little bit expensive start here for Rasif. Once again, it's Polymark. Lovely delivery. Just played. Good fielding. Good fielding from the fielder at mid-on. There's no chance of any run. Last 1 ball remaining of the first over. Already got a 10 run. So good delivery. Oh, that's wicketkeeper. Good work from the wicketkeeper. Just collected and without watching the ball. Solly behind the stump. End of the over number 1. 11 without losing any wicket. Good start here for Marigudi friends. We got a wonderful cricket tournament under the great leadership of Ashraf Warpate. And also very good support from Razak, Shafi, Zubair, Hafiz Todar, Rizwan Todar, Hanif, Riyaz, Sharif and Sheikh Malali. They all are supported very well for in this wonderful cricket tournament. Not an easy conducting tournament like this. There's lots of hard work. Yesterday we had Mangalore pool including 5 teams. Actually that the league come knockout from the group A. Unfortunately, yesterday night we had heavy fog. That's why we could not complete yesterday's match. That will play tomorrow. First match, 7 p.m. It's Gauri Young Boys Mandeshwara taking against NM Mangalore. One more high voltage match of the evening for every spectator. Uzaif, every wicket will get 1,000 rupees. From Jalil Kuppepadu. Down the leg side. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಹಣವನ್ನು ಆಫರ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಮೊದಲು ಆ ಹಣವನ್ನು ಹಫೀಜ್ ತೋಡಾರ್ ಅವರ ಕೈಗೆ ನೀಡಬೇಕು. Oh, that's a far away outside off the man. Once again, wide signal from the umpire. This is really poor start for Uzaif. Couple of wide to start here. Not a start. Katte friends Kuppepadu wanted here. Previous over Ashraf ball, many wide ball. Even Uzaif also started with the same way. Couple of wide to start here. Salim Alekote, main umpire. Sheikh Malali, one of the organizing team member also, square leg umpire. Good delivery, almost a good ball incoming for the right hand. I just played back to the ball dry. There is no chance of any run. 13 without losing any wicket. Good start here for the defending champions, Marigudi friends. Now they are asking for the review for the no ball actually. Yes, the non-striker batsman thinking that bowler overstepped, but umpire just want to confirmation that So I request third umpire Asmal Jokatte. Yes, clearly overstepped the bowler and that's a no ball. And free hit to follow now. That's actually good observation from the non-striker batter. He is the one initiated that review. He saw that the bowler just overstepping that line. That's a clear call. Nothing behind the line. Even on the line also, that no ball. Because some part of the boot should be behind the line when foot landed. That's a good call from third umpire. Free hit to follow now. Oh my goodness. Things are getting worse and worse here for Katte friends Kuppepadu. Free hit still to follow. Batsman Sharat at the strikers and he already hit one gorgeous shot through the offside. Uzaif need to be ball, good ball. Oh, that's once again waiting that. That's a good delivery. That free hit ball did not cost it much as he bowled that dot ball. He's a wonderful bowler, Uzaif for Katte friends Kuppepadu, but he need to find correct line under floodlight because it's a situation that batsmen are struggling for every run, each and every run. Oh, direct hit required. If direct hit batsman not in a frame at all, but ball missed the stump at the non-strikers and lucky escape for the batter. 16 on the board. Uzaif for Chamis Pauli mark from the over the wicket to left-handed batsman. Lovely delivery. Once again wide signal from the umpire. Poor bowling. What work batsmen need to do. Bowlers are just conceding the run as a gift here. Uzaif definitely is a young talented bowler. He needs to bowl correct line. Siddiq! That shot I am mentioning last year, but ball did not even cross the boundary line. Oh my goodness. I still remember first six in the last final in the same direction, but this time it was even not crossed the boundary line also. At one moment we thought that 4 run, unlucky. Suddenly ball is decided to reverse gear and it come back into the playing area and nevertheless 2 run added. For the next match, Friends Bajal take against Malingeshwara Karkala. I request both the team, all the members, please complete the signed official chart. Last 1 ball remaining. 19. Every 6, 2,000 rupees for Siddiq. Shamil Dubai. What a shot he played, but unfortunate for the batting point of view. After hitting that part, maybe ball hit some stones, then it come back into the playing area. So the last one ball remaining, 19 on the board. It's a good delivery. Once again, wide signal from the umpire. Bowler wanted a review, but wicketkeeper said don't need to waste that review. They are just satisfied, wicketkeeper, the decision of the umpire. And definitely maybe wicketkeeper is the person who can see the direction. Siddiq went for the cross batted shot, edge of the bat. Luckily it landed in between the wicketkeeper and fielder at backward point. So over number 2 completed. One more expensive over which came 10 run. Over number 2 completed. 21 without losing any wicket. What a dream start for the defending champions Marigudi friends. Courtesy of brilliant batting, some poor bowling. Especially that wide ball really hurted here for Katte Franz Kuppepado. Who will going to bowl the third over? Sukesh bought into the attack from the far end. Look like that round arm kind of bowler. We've seen already Arshad of KFC Krishnapura with the similar kind of action. Now Sukesh bought into the attack from the luxury living flex end. Sukesh is a wonderful bowler for Katte Franz Kuppepado. They're making a little bit adjustment in the field. Mid off coming to that short extra cover. Deep extra cover moved to long off. Long on there. Deep mid wicket. Siddiq tried to go for his favorite shot. This time ball is just inside the frame line. Good start here for Sukesh. Siddiq is trying his favorite shot. He's a master of playing that slog sweep. Especially he loved the deep mid wicket and deep square leg. Shukesh's second time is poorly marked. Beautiful delivery, just work on the onside. The fielder fumbled that shot fine. Legasif. That allowed the batter to take that single. Leg by signal from the umpire Sheikh Malali. Imtiaz Muchuru and Imtiaz Arga, they are watching the match in through Bedra Media. They are really well wishing for in this wonderful cricket tournament. Beautiful delivery, lovely ball. This is definitely comeback for Katte Franz Kuppepado because first 2 over of the power play definitely belongs for team Marigudi friends, but they need a comeback over. Definitely they can come back. They got a quality bowling line to have Katte Franz Kuppepado. Beautiful delivery, lovely ball. Waiting for the umpire signal. Look like it pad involved, not a bat. Yes, it is. Leg by signal from Sheikh Malali. One more extra added at 22. Good over. 23. It's a beautiful delivery drive through the cover. The good fielding, good throw, but he could not able to stop the batsman to take in that single. Last ball remaining of the third over. Good over from Sukesh. It came just 3 runs out of that 5 ball he bowled. A magnificent bowling. Not an easy, including that 2 byes, 1 bye and 1 leg bye added in that over. That's a fantastic over for Sukesh. Beautiful delivery once again paid into that deep backward square leg, and they're going for that couple 2 run added in the account of the bat. Over number 3 completed, 26 on the board. It means their scoring rate exactly 8.66 run per over after the completion of 3. So festival atmosphere in this Bangabettu school ground. Todar Friends Todar 8th edition under floodlight. Last year Marigudi Friends, they are the champions. Kote Friends Nandavara defending champions. Who will going to claim this title? In A pool 5 teams participated. B-Boys Alekala, KFC Todar, NM Mangalore, Gori Young Boys Pandeshwara, Torpedoes Kana. 5 team yesterday competed. Yet to come result from that group actually. 2 team will qualify for the semi-final. Top 2 from after the league match, maybe 4 match for each team. Top 2 will qualify for the semi-final. Here change of bowling. So Naushad, the experienced man, bought into the attack. He's such a fantastic bowler, Naushad. Just play the sweep shot behind the square and the onside and collected easy single. They may be thinking of second run. Good running between the wicket. Oh my goodness. What wicketkeeper Solly did. He just kept the hand in front of the stump. Sometime maybe directed will cause that. After hitting his hand, ball change the direction. I want to see that replay. Good fielding, good throw. Oh, look at that. That should have been easily directed if he not put that hands in front of the stump. So 2 valuable run added in the account of Siddiq. 28. Big shot from Naushad, but Salim Alakood said, why not? Maybe that ball just with the angle. Fourth over in progress. Festival atmosphere in this Bangabettu school ground. When the 8th edition of Todar Cup, Todar Friends Todar proudly presents Todar Cup 2024 under the floodlights. Naushad, lovely delivery. Batsman went for the big shot made wicket fielder. Good fielding and good effort, but bowler did not collect it properly. Even if he collected also, batsman safely reached the home at the non-striker's end. Sensible batting from the both openers. 29 run. It's a good delivery, just played, good fielding, not a clean stop, but just able to stop that ball inside that circle. 30. .4 completed, 30 without losing any wicket. Siddiq played his favorite shot. They got a protection there at deep square leg. Just taken a single in the single score now 31, and last 1 ball remaining of the 4th over. Last 2 over definitely good over for Katte Friends Kuppavada, because first 2 over they conceded 21 run. After that this 11 ball they just conceded 10 run. But the good thing for the batting team, they have 10 wicket in hand. Anytime they can play the big shot. Both batsmen look like a set now. Wide outside off stump. Wide signal from the umpire. 1 more extra added. The problem with the Kuppavada side, they bowl many wide deliveries. Almost 1 extra over they bowl, form of the wide balls. 32 on the board. Last ball of the 4th over, 32 without losing any wicket. Delivery just played into that mid-on. There is no chance of any run. Over number 4 completed, 32 without losing any wicket. Their scoring rate exactly 8.00 after the completion of 4 over. Maybe they are opting Sukesh to bowl that penultimate over. Why not? He bowled really good over in the previous over he bowled. They need a couple of tight over. Anything above 40 run in a 6-over game under floodlight. This situation, definitely some psychological advantage for Marigudi friends when they are coming to ball in the second innings. That's why Katte friends Kuppepadu, they need a couple of tight over. If anything less than a 40 run, a psychological advantage for the batting when they are coming to bat in the second innings for Kuppepadu. That's why they need to get a couple of tight over. Just 17 run came from the bat actually. It means 15 run they conceded extra, including wide byes and leg byes. So here is Sukesh, second over of his spell from the wicket to left-handed batsman Siddiq. Penultimate over going to start now. Ben for the big shot, waiting for the umpire. Look like a leg bye. Yesterday's leg bye signal from the umpire. One more extra added here. 33. ಈ ಒಂದು ಪಂದ್ಯಾಕೂಟದ ವೀಕ್ಷಣೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಳೆದ ತಿಂಗಳು ಸ್ವರಾಜ್ ಮೈದಾನ ಮೂಡುಬಿದ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದಂತಹ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಪಂದ್ಯಾಕೂಟವನ್ನು ಸಂಘಟಿಸಿದಂತಹ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಕೇವಲ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲ, ಸಮಾಜ ಸೇವೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂಚೂಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ನನ್ನ ಆತ್ಮೀಯರು ಆದಂತಹ ಹನೀಫ್ ರಹಮಾನಿಯ ದರ್ಬಾರ್ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಒಂದು ಪಂದ್ಯಾಕೂಟದ ವೀಕ್ಷಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸರ್, ತಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಪ್ರೀತಿಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಆಸೀನರಾಗಬೇಕಾಗಿ ತಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ವಿನಮ್ರ ವಿನಂತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ವೈಡ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಅಂಪೈರ್. One extra added score now 34 without losing any wicket. Yesterday we got the same 34 run partnership for the first wicket. It came from for KFC Todar actually. Ijaz and Rashid Baba. This time once again wide signal from the umpire. Batsman cross for the single also. Nothing going in the way of Katte friends Kuppepadu batting couple of good overs. Sukesh also now little bit struggling to find his correct line. That also once again far away outside of stump. Wide signal from the umpire. Probably 2 extra over they bowled so far in this innings because of their wide delivery. 37. Good delivery, just play. Oh, that might be first wicket. I think he's gone. Siddiq just sacrificed his wicket for his partner. There is no run at all. Sarath wanted the single, but last moment just he left the crease for his partner. Now Sunil into the middle. One more hard hitter from the side of Marigudi friends. One of the clean striker in Andhram cricket. Such a fabulous player. Normally he's coming as opening batsman. He's coming at number 3 for Marigudi friends. Finally that breakthrough came for Katte friends Kuppepadu. Sukesh third time is poorly marked from the round the wicket to right-handed batsman. Lovely delivery, just played behind the square in the onside, just behind the square leg umpire, going for the second run. Better throw required. I think one person came right in front of the wicket keeper. Then he given to the hand to the wicket keeper. That time, a batsman now. Umpire did not give an indication, but now they are asking for the third umpire. So the final verdict, it's a not out. Match cross the line when the base come off. I want to ask the umpire, is that the fielding review? Yes, that's a fielding review. It means they lost their review actually. That's not umpire review. Umpire given not out in the naked eyes. Fielding team captain taken that review. So that they are going to lose their only one review in this innings. Showcase for time is poorly marked from the wicket to right-handed batsman. Oh, there's waiting for the umpire signal that. Wide signal from the umpire. Previous over he bowled a magnificent over Sukesh. That's why captain brought back into attack in this penultimate over. Even Sukesh also struggling to find correct line in this over. Now they reached 40 mark. 3 balls still remaining of the penultimate over. Oh my goodness, things are getting worse and worse here. Yes, time is up. Almost 3 extra over the bowl. Why not? 22 extra run. It means more than a 50% run came as extra. Look at the scoreboard, 41. Out of 41, 22 run came as extra. Went for the big shot. Can he get distance? Yes, it is. What a shot. Sharath, you beauty. That's why Siddiq sacrifices wicket. He knows the strength of Sharath. What a brilliant shot. The biggest of the night over that floodlight tower. Look at the replay that. What a fabulous shot. Absolutely magnificent. Into the deep mid wicket. Score now 47. Expensive over. This time good line. Just inside the frame line. Last 1 ball remaining of the penultimate over. Definitely good start here for Marigudi friends. Their campaign started here with the brilliant batting. This time just played behind the score. Ball crossed the single declare area. We are almost going to lose that ball. Over number 5 completed. 48 for the loss of just 1 wicket. Now 6 legal ball remaining. Wait and see how many more they will add to the total. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಮುಂದಿನ ಪಂದ್ಯಾಟಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಮಾಲಿಂಗೇಶ್ವರ ಕಾರ್ಕಳ ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬಜಾಲ್ 2 ತಂಡ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಟಗಾರರು ತಮ್ಮ ಹಸ್ತಾಕ್ಷರವನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸಿ ನಾಯಕರು ನಾಣ್ಯ ಚಿಮಿಗೆಯಾಗಿ ಸಜ್ಜಾಗಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಬೇಕು. $17 wide ball, 4 leg by, 1 no ball, 22 extras. The experienced Asif now brought into the attack. Oh, that may be getting worse and worse. 18 wide delivery they bowled. 49 on the board. So this time just played into that backward point where Mustafa Bajal collected the ball. Batsman had enough time. Congratulations Marigudi friends. There is the 50 mark. 50 for Marigudi friends in 5.1. Good delivery. Yes, once again Mustafa in action at backward point. They taken once again single 51 for the loss of 1 wicket. Four balls still remaining. If they control that wide ball, definitely scenario will be different. That's a good delivery. That's inside the tram line. Three ball remaining. It's good delivery. Just played into that deep extra cover where the fielder collected the ball. Batsman had enough time to take that single. In the single score now moves on to 52 for the loss of 1 wicket. Last two ball remaining of the innings. So far it's all the batting of Marigudi friends. Siddiq and Sharaz started very well. Sharaz, the senior partner, scored bulk of the runs. This time just plays straight down the ground. You want to give strike to his partner. Good running between the wicket. Two big mans in the middle actually. Look at the running between the wicket. Fabulous running between the wicket. 54 for the loss of just 1 wicket. Last ball remaining of the innings. Sunil is a home ground actually. Beautiful delivery. Wicketkeeper missed that ball. Chance of run out, I think. Finally departed in that last ball of the innings. What a gem of the innings Sharath played. 22 runs scored in just 20 ball. What a good innings for his team. And even opposition team Solly went to pat his back. Why not? Under floodlight batsman scoring 22 runs in a 20 ball. Definitely good innings. Anyhow, 54 on the board for the loss of just 2 wickets. Before going to start of the second innings, once again heartily invite Naufal Bidra to the commentary box. Heartily welcome Naufal Bidra to the commentary box. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಮುಂದಿನ ಪಂದ್ಯಾಟಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬಜಲ್ ತಂಡದ ಆಟಗಾರರು ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಲಿಂಗೇಶ್ವರ ಕಾರ್ಕಳ ತಂಡದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಟಗಾರರು ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಹಸ್ತಾಕ್ಷರಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಬನ್ನಿ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಪಂದ್ಯಾಟವನ್ನು ಮುಂದುವರಿಸಿ. Yes, once again, welcome back and chase to begin here. It's a left hand, right hand combination, top of the order. Mustafa Bajal and Soli Bajpe. The next match, it's Malingeshwara Karkala, one of the finest club in Karkala. We're going to witness some magical leg spin in the next match. Whenever Malingeshwara Karkala playing in the ground, we can feel that leg spin magicians in their team. Kiran going to start for Marigudi Friends. The striker batsman Soli at the top of the order. Very fast ball, lovely looking shot into the deep extra cover, fielder on the long chase, but he could not be able to stop the batsman taking that 2-run. Good cricket all round, good bowling, good looking shot, equally better fielding, and the 2-run came for the account for Soli and Kuppepad's side. KEFK, they definitely required good start in the power play over if they able to reach the target of 55 run. So every 6 batter will get 1,000 rupees from Riyaz Kaja. Kiran, second damage bowling mark from the over the wicket to right-handed batsman Soli. Just angling, maybe bowler in front of the umpire, leg by signal from the umpire. Now Kiran getting one official warning from the umpire. That's a danger zone. After completing his follow through, you need to go away from the umpire, because when he in front of the umpire can't have the look of what exactly happened in the striker's end. That's why he signal leg buys. Now he changes angle, coming round the wicket for the left hander. Mustafa Bajal, one of the quality player, played for various franchises in South Canada district. 2 ball completed, 3 for the loss of 0. Beautiful delivery, lovely ball. Just push the ball into that mid-off where the fielder collected the ball. Batsman had enough time to take that single. One more added in the total. So this is a very good performance with the bat. Some poor bowling that really helped Marigudi Friends to get that 54 run. Good looking shot, lovely shot. Fielder long chase, anyone can stop it. Good fielding, but he could not able to stop. What a brilliant shot from Soli. Look at that shot he played. We've seen in international cricket cover drive from Virat Kohli, but this is even better from Soli, the tall man leaning forward, played lovely looking drive. He bisected that 2 fielder, mid-off and short cover. Excellent batting. Score now 8 on the board. Over number 1 in progress. Good start. What a brilliant shot. Heartily welcome Sukumar Karkala from Malingeshwara, one of the finest all-rounder ever produced in Andhra cricket. Beautiful delivery, short mid-wicket field, a little bit of fumble to collect that ball. That allowed the batter to take that down. They completed that risky single into a normal one. Good start here for Soli and Katte Friends Kuppepadov. 9 on the board, last 1 ball remaining of the first over of the power play. Chase is on. If these 2 batter in the middle, definitely Katte Friends Kuppepadov, they can feel that they can achievable this target of 55. Not an easy, but still cricket is unpredictable game. Anything can possible. Straight for the reverse sweep. Mustafa this occasion just played behind the square on the offside. Is a left-handed one, but he turned as a right-hander with that reverse sweep. Taken a single. Over number 1 completed. 10 on the board. Comparison of the first innings. They got 11 run in the first over for Marigudi friends, but Katte friends Kuppepadu, they got a 10 run in the first over. So definitely one of the finest club, Malingeshwara Karkala, under the great ownership of Sharat Sir, Malingeshwara Karkala. They have produced some gem of the result in Andhra cricket with their leg spin magic actually. We are going to witness some great bowling spell of leg spin after in this match. When we are talking about the leg spin, you can't get better than this man. Prasad, one of the finest leg spinner in Andhra cricket. He bought into the attack. Beautiful delivery, lovely ball. Batsman actually off balance while completing his shot, Mustafa. The two very good leg spinner in the lineup of Marigudi, Ajay and Prasad. I think both are from Kulai, maybe, if I'm not wrong. Two finest leg spinners. It is second time is Poli mark from the Bidra Media cameraman and bowling over the wicket to left-handed batsman Mustafa. Salim Alekote, Sheikh Malali. Shimmy down the track, straight down the ground, fielder and long chase. Can he ever stop it? No. Ball races into the fence for 4. What a brilliant shot. Now this chase is on. Little bit of flighted delivery, not along with the carpet kind of ball. Shimmy down the track, dancing his show, then played straight as an arrow. That's the safest place in a cricket field. And he got a better result for the shot. 14 on the board. Now, little bit of tense moment in the dugout of Marigudi friends. Out to stop the flow of the runs actually. So try to go for the cross batted shot. Little bit of yes, no, yes, no. One chief guest entering the ground almost in the way of fog. Oh, that's a brilliant shot. Fielder in the long chase. Can he able to stop it? Once again, that ball. Oh my goodness, that boundary crossed or not? Sheikh Malali having that view of that. What a fabulous shot. Oh, this time into the deep extra cover. What a brilliant batting. Absolutely magnificent batting. They're going for the third run. Better throw required. No, that's a fantastic running between the wicket. Now, runs are coming thick and fast here. Remember, Marigudi friends, they scored 21 run in a 2 over. 1.5 completed. 21 already in the board. Courtesy of brilliant batting from these two pair. Soli and Mustafa Bajal. What a fabulous start here for Katte friends Kuppepadu. They are not given up at all in this chase. 55 is the target. But this is a brilliant start from these two opening batter. Remember 37 run partnership for the first wicket for Marigudi friends, Siddiq and Sharat. Mustafa went for the reverse hit in the end. Over number 2 completed. Now the comparison is looking equal battle between a bat and ball. First innings, 21 run in a 2 over, and here also same thing happened. 21 for no loss. It means the chase is on. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಮಾಲಿಂಗೇಶ್ವರ ಕಾರ್ಕಳ ತಂಡದ ಹಸ್ತಾಕ್ಷರ ಮುಕ್ತಾಯವಾಗಿದೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬಜಲ್ ತಂಡದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಟಗಾರರು ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ತಮ್ಮ ಹಸ್ತಾಕ್ಷರವನ್ನು ನೀಡಿ. ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಕರೆಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ನೀಡಬೇಡಿ. ಮಧ್ಯರಾತ್ರಿಯ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಪ್ರಥಮ ಕರೆ ನೀಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ತಂಡದ ನಾಯಕ, ತಂಡದ ಮಾಲಕ ತಮ್ಮ ತಂಡದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಟಗಾರರನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೇದಿಕೆಯ ಬಲಬದಿಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಹಸ್ತಾಕ್ಷರ ಕೊಠಡಿಗೆ ತಲುಪಿಸಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಟಗಾರರ ಹಸ್ತಾಕ್ಷರವನ್ನು ಮುಕ್ತಾಯಗೊಳಿಸುವಂತೆ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ತಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ವಿನಮ್ರ ವಿನಂತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. Yes, here after completion of 2 over 21 without losing any wicket. This match is getting really interesting now. Oh, this time went for the big shot. Fielder there. He stopped that ball, but he could not able to stop the batsman to take in that. Kiran, the fielder, right in front of the commentary box. 2 more run added. Mustafa, this season not that much good form, but this match is showing all his classy batting. We've seen all shot in a book. First one into the deep mid wicket, then straight down the ground, reverse sweep 4, then deep extra cover drive, now slog sweep at his best. It's a brilliant batting. If you have the wagon wheel of this innings, definitely he played all around the ground. Once again went for the cross batted shot, a little bit of shuffle cross, then played, tried to work on the onside, leg by signal from the umpire, no bat involved. Is a calculated batting, superb batting from 2 superb players. Solly just played the reverse sweep. If fielder did a good effort, Kiran inside the circle, that might be chance of getting the run out. Not an easy when batsmen play the reverse sweep, and sometimes there is a little bit of dew there. Ball may be sometime getting wet. In that moment, very difficult to collect the ball cleanly. Should be down the track just for, oh, good fielding. Direct hit required there. That's a fantastic fielding. Absolutely magnificent. Prasad with the brilliant fielding. 26 without losing any wicket. What a match we are witnessing here. Festival atmosphere in this Bangabettu ground, Todar. Is Ajay once again bought into the attack. Lovely delivery. Batsman went for the big shot into the short mid wicket. They go for the second run. Oh my goodness! If better throw, batsman may be in a trouble. But that one bounce throw that allowed the batter 1 extra second to reach the non-striker's end. Prasad, bowler. Little bit expensive in the previous over. Normally very economical. Consider 10 in the first over. Beautiful delivery. Batsman went for the cross, batted shot. This is the experience of Prasad. That's why he's such a fine leg spin bowler. Chase is on. 28 for no less. 3.2 completed. Oh, this time gone! What a brilliant comeback from Prasad. The big man, big wicket. Mustafa departed. After playing the good little cameo, is walking back to the pavilion. Beautiful leg spin delivery. Wicketkeeper Tilak collected the ball with the bails off. And batsman now almost started walking back to the pavilion. The new man into the middle. Asif into the middle, the experienced man. So lovely delivery this time. This is a brilliant bowling from Prasad. Little bit expensive in the previous. Some good delivery just played into that deep cover where the fielder collected the ball. Batsman had enough time to take that a single. One more added in the total score. Moves on to 29 on the board. Last one ball remaining. Good comeback over from Prasad, which he just considered 3 so far. Went for the big shot and gone. 2 wickets in this over. This is the experience of Prasad. Captain had a faith on his champion bowler. Yes, he is expensive in the previous over, but this over he got rid of the both opener. First Mustafa, now Shali. Both batter walking back to the pavilion now. Now things are getting little bit difficult now. At one moment it looked like a chaseable, but after losing a couple of wickets, especially this over, what a fabulous over. First 2 over, 21 run they got. Next 2 over, just got 8 run and lost 2 wickets. So the new batsman Sukesh into the middle along with Asif. So I request mic operator, please come to the comment box immediately. David mic operator. This time went for the big shot. What a shot! Sukesh, in fact, Asif, you beauty. Look at that. Absolutely magnificent shot, straight as an arrow. Yesterday we seen Rashid Baba hitting the same direction. Now this chase is on 11 ball and 20 run required. Lemon ball, 20 run required. The experience of Asif is a count here. Once again went for it. Can he get distance? No. He find the fielder there. The dangerous looking Asif walking back to the pavilion. So the new batsman, one more highly rated batter, Tausif into the middle with the lots of responsibility on his shoulder. 10 ball, 20 run required, still possible chance. What a shot that, under pressure, Asif played a brilliant shot. How costly that white balls, almost more than 18 white ball they bowled. Until Sukesh is there, they can breathe easy because he's the kind of player. He's such a fabulous hitter for Katte friends. Kuppepado is a wonderful player. Beautiful delivery, lovely ball that. Every dot ball pressure is mounting slowly. Good comeback. This is the experience of these two bowlers, Ajay and Prasad. Delivery just bowled straight down the ground into that long on where the fielder collected the ball. Batsman had just time to take the single. What Sukesh thinking here? 8 ball, 19 run required. Couple of big shots. Definitely Katte friends Kuppepadu. They can strongly come back in this chase. The two crucial balls are coming now. His experience Ajay once again. To Sukesh, went for the big shot in the air. There is the fielder. Sunil taken the catch. Sukesh departed here. That is maybe the match for full toss delivery. Batsman went for the cross batter shot, top edge of the bat. Fielder settled under it. Sunil. How costly that white balls in the first innings. 18 white ball they bowled. That really hurting in this chase. ಈ ಒಂದು ಪಂದ್ಯಾಕೂಟದ ವೀಕ್ಷಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಬಶೀರ್ ಬೂಟ್ ಬಜಾರ್. ತಮಗೂ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬ ಹೃದಯದ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆ ಕೋರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. So good delivery, just played into that long off and where the fielder collected the ball. Batsman had enough time to take that single. So now 6 ball remaining, 18 run required. If you deduct that 18 white ball, they could have been easily won it till now. But now they need to bring back that white balls. If they are able to win this match, 6 ball and 18 run required. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಮುಂದಿನ ಪಂದ್ಯಾಟದ ನಾನಿಸಿಂಗಿಯಾಗಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬಜಾಲ್ ತಂಡದ ಆಟಗಾರರು ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬಜಾಲ್ ತಂಡ ನಾಯಕ ಮಾಲಿಂಗೇಶ್ವರ ಕಾರ್ಕಲ್ ತಂಡ ನಾಯಕ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ನಾನಿಸಿಂಗಿಯಾಗಿ ಬನ್ನಿ. 6 ball and 18 run required. It is from over the wicket. Akash. Oh, that's a good shot. Placement even better. Good fielding. Brilliant fielding. Suddenly saved 3 runs for his team. 2 runs in fact. Batsman got a 2 run now shot. 16 required from 5 delivery. At this situation, bowling team upper hand. But cricket is unpredictable game. Anything can possible. Now shot capable player. Went for the big shot in the air and gone. Now 16 run required from 4 deliveries at this situation. Definitely Marigudi friends their upper hand. But a couple of big shots, definitely they can come back. This time he went for the big shot. Chance of run out. Now 3 ball and 16 run required. All this time, shimmy down the track, but Siddiq at long off, pouch that catch. Now it's looked like a formality balance in this match. 2 ball and 16 run required. Friends Bajal ತಂಡದ ನಾಯಕ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ನಾಣಿಸಿಮಿಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ತಮಗಾಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಲಿಂಗೇಶ್ವರ ಕಾರ್ಕಳ ತಂಡದ ನಾಯಕ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So the new batter into the middle. It's looked like a formality balance in this match. 2 ball and 16 run required to win this match. Shimmy down the track. Wicketkeeper Tilak also did not collect that ball cleanly. But now it's feel all over for the batting team. 1 ball and 16 run required. Impossible task unless bowler do any mistake. Back to the bowler drive. Yes. Marigudi friends won the match. Congratulations and also thank you Katte friends Kuppebado. They came from the long way. They played really good cricket. Themselves they need to blame for this loss, because if they did not bowl that 18 wide ball, they could have been in a better position. Almost they can won it if they did not bowl that wide balls. So yes, we are heading to the one more match. It's Bajal taking against Karkala Malingeshwara. So before going to start, once again I heartily invite Naufal Bidra to the commentary box.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಶಮೀರ್ ಮಲರ್. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಮೈಕ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಹತ್ತ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬಜಾಲ್ ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ಮಹಾಲಿಂಗೇಶ್ವರ ಕಾರ್ಕಳ ತಂಡಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಈಗಿನ ಪಂದ್ಯ ಸಾಗಿ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ನಾಣ್ಯ ಚುಮ್ಮುವಿಕೆಯನ್ನ ಗೆದ್ದುಕೊಂಡಂತಹ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬಜಾಲ್ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಪಂದ್ಯದ ಪಂದ್ಯ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಮಾರಿಗುಡಿ ತಂಡದ ಶರತ್ ರವರ ಪಾಲಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ದಂಡುಗಾರಿಕಾ ವಿಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕವಾಗಿ 22 ಓಟವನ್ನು ಗಳಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ತಂಡಕ್ಕೆ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದಂತಹ ಇನ್ನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ನಾಣ್ಯ ಚುಮ್ಮುವಿಕೆಯನ್ನ ಜಯಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಂತಹ ಬಜಾಲ್ ತಂಡ ತಮ್ಮ ಆಯ್ಕೆಯನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸಿ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ರಕ್ಷಣೆಯನ್ನ ಆಯ್ದುಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಮಹಾಲಿಂಗೇಶ್ವರ ಕಾರ್ಕಳ ತಂಡದ ದಾಂಡುಗಾರರು ಅಂಕಣವನ್ನ ಸೇರಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು. ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನ ಹಫೀಜ್ ತೋಡಾರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಸಹಕರಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮೈಕ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಒಮ್ಮೆ ವೇದಿಕೆಯತ್ತ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಮಾರಿಗುಡಿ ತಂಡದ ಶರತ್ ರವರೇ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ವೇದಿಕೆಯತ್ತ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬಜಾಲ್ ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ಮಹಾಲಿಂಗೇಶ್ವರ ಕಾರ್ಕಳ ತಂಡಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಪಂದ್ಯಕೂಟ ಸಾಗಿ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾರಿಗುಡಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಶರತ್ ವೇದಿಕೆಯತ್ತ ಬರಬೇಕು. ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕವಾಗಿ 22 ಓಟವನ್ನು ಗಳಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಹಿಂದಿನ ಪಂದ್ಯದ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನ ತಮ್ಮ ಪಾಲಾಗಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿಯೂ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಆ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನ ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಕಾರ್ಕಳ ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬಜಾಲ್ ತಂಡಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಪಂದ್ಯಕೂಟ ಸಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ದೂರದೂರಿನ 2 ತಂಡಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಈ ತೋಡಾರು ಶಾಲಾ ಬಂಗಬೆಟ್ಟು ಮೈದಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ತೋಡಾರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ತೋಡಾರು ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಪಡಿಸಿದಂತಹ 3 ದಿವಸಗಳ ಹೊನ್ನಳು ಬೆಳಕಿನ ಅದ್ದೂರಿಯ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಪಂದ್ಯಕೂಟಕ್ಕೆ ನಿನ್ನೆಯ ದಿನ 7 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕ್ಷಣಗಣನೆ ಆರಂಭಗೊಂಡಿತ್ತು. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಹಲವಾರು ಪಂದ್ಯಗಳು ಮುಕ್ತಾಯವಾಗಿದೆ. ಕಾರ್ಕಳ ಹಾಗೂ ಬಜಾಲ್ ಪರಿಸರದ 2 ಆಟಗಾರರನ್ನ 2 ತಂಡವನ್ನ ಕಟ್ಟಿಕೊಂಡು ಅದೆಷ್ಟೋ ಪರಿಸರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈದಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ತನ್ನದೇ ಆದ ಶೈಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನ ಬಾಚಿಕೊಂಡಿರುವಂತಹ 2 ಬಲಿಷ್ಠ ಬಲಾಢ್ಯ ತಂಡಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಪಂದ್ಯಕೂಟ ಈ ಪಂದ್ಯ ಸಾಗಿ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಆ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂದಿನ ಪಂದ್ಯಕೂಟಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಸಜ್ಜಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ತುಡಾರ್ ನೈಟ್ ರೈಡರ್ಸ್ ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ 11 ಚೊಕ್ಕಬೆಟ್ಟು ತಂಡದ ಆಟಗಾರರು ಹಸ್ತಾಕ್ಷರಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಎಸ್ ಪಂದ್ಯಕೂಟಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾಲನೆ. ಎಸೆತಗಾರಿಕಾ ವಿಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಜಾಲ್ ಕಂಡಂತಹ ಅನುಭವಿ ಎಸೆತಗಾರ ಶರವೇಗದ ದಾಳಿಗಾರ ರಿಯಾಜನ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೆ, ಕಾರ್ಕಳ ಪರಿಸರ ಕಂಡಂತಹ ಅನುಭವಿ ಆಟಗಾರ ಮಹೇಶ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕರ್ ತುದಿಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೋ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕರ್ ತುದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಕಳ ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಪ್ರತಿ ಕಲ್ಲು ಮುಳ್ಳಿಗೆ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿಯಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಆಟಗಾರ ವಿಜೇತ್ ನೋ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕರ್ ತುದಿಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕ್ರೀಡಾಭಿಮಾನಿಗಳೇ, ಹಿಂದಿನ ಪಂದ್ಯವನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಆಸಿಫ್ ರವರು ಆಗಮಿಸಿದಾಗ ಆ ಒಂದು ಹೊಡೆದಂತಹ ಸಿಕ್ಸರ್ ಪಂದ್ಯಾಟದ ತಿರುವಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಕಾರಣವಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಆ ಬಳಿಕ ತದನಂತರದ ಚೆಂಡುವಿಗೆ ಆಸಿಫ್ ರವರು ಉದ್ದರಿಯನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಟ್ರು. ಆಸಿಫ್ ರವರು ಕೊನೆಯ ಚೆಂಡಿನವರೆಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಿಂತದ್ದೇ ಆದಲ್ಲಿ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿಯೂ ಪಂದ್ಯ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ರೋಚಕ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಗುವಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಶಯವೇ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಈ ಪಂದ್ಯ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿಯೂ ರೋಚಕ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಯತ್ತ ಸಾಗಬಹುದು. 2 ಬಲಿಷ್ಠ ಬಲಾಢ್ಯ ತಂಡಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಪಂದ್ಯಕೂಟ ಸಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು ಕಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಜಾಲ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಕಳ. ಮಹಾಲಿಂಗೇಶ್ವರ ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬಜಾಲ್. 1 ಚೆಂಡು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಮುಕ್ತಾಯವಾಗಿದೆ. ತಂಡದ ಖಾತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಶೂನ್ಯ ಸಂಪಾದನೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಕಾರ್ಕಳ, ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕರ್ ತುದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಹೇಶ್. ಅದೆಷ್ಟೋ ಪಂದ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ದಾಂಡುಗಾರಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಸರ್ ಬೌಂಡರಿಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಡೆಯಬಲ್ಲಂತಹ ಆಟಗಾರ. ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲ, ಕಾರ್ಕಳ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಮೈದಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಈತ ಮಾಡಿದಂತಹ ಆ ಸಿಕ್ಸರ್ ಬೌಂಡರಿಗಳ ಹೊಡೆತ ಅದೆಷ್ಟೋ ಪಂದ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ದಾಖಲೆಯನ್ನು ಬರೆದಂತಹ ಆಟಗಾರ. ಆದರೆ ಈ ಹೊತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತೋಡಾರ್ ಮೈದಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ದಾಂಡುಗಾರರಿಗೆ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿಯೂ ಎಸೆತಗಾರರ ಎಸೆತವನ್ನ ಎದುರಿಸಲು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಕಠಿಣ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ತಂಡದ ಆಟಗಾರರು ಆರಂಭದ ಉದ್ದರಿ ನಷ್ಟವಾಗುವಾಗ ಆಗಮಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಪಂದ್ಯದ ಜಯಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಅವರ ಆ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಹೊಡೆತಗಳು ಬರುತ್ತದೆ. ಆ ಬಳಿಕ ಉದ್ದರಿಯನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೆ ಪಂದ್ಯವನ್ನ ಕೈ ಚೆಲ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ಈ ಪಂದ್ಯ ರೋಚಕದ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಯತ್ತ ಸಾಗಲೇಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಕಾರಣ ಎರಡೂ ತಂಡದಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಬಲಿಷ್ಠ ಆಟಗಾರರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಕಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಜಾಲ್ ಕಡೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಶರವೇಗದ ಎಸೆತಗಾರರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮಹಾಲಿಂಗೇಶ್ವರ ಕಾರ್ಕಳ ತಂಡದ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಲೆಗ್ ಸ್ಪಿನ್ ದಾಳಿಗಾರರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಲೆಗ್ ಸ್ಪಿನ್ ಎಸೆತಗಳಿಗೆ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿ ಆಟವನ್ನ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶಿಸುವಂತಹ ದಾಂಡುಗಾರರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ಇಂತಹ ಎಸೆತವನ್ನ ಎದುರಿಸಲು ಈ ಮೈದಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮಯವನ್ನ ಅರಿತುಕೊಂಡು ದಂಡನ್ನ ಬೀಸಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಮೂರನೇ ಚೆಂಡು ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಹೊಡೆತ ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಹಿಡಿಯುವ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನವನ್ನ ಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಗೂಟಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಒಂಟಿ ಓಟ ಆರಂಭಗೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾ ಶುಭಾರಂಭ ಖಾತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತೆರೆತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಂಕಪಟ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂರನೇ ಚೆಂಡುವಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಓಟ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ತಂಡದ ಖಾತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜಮೆಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಮ್ಮ ಪಾಲಾಗಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾಲ್ಕನೇ ಚೆಂಡನ್ನ ಎಸೆಯಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ರಿಯಾಜ್. ಬಜಾಲ್ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಎದುರಿಸಲು ದಾಂಡುಗಾರಿಕಾ ವಿಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಜಯ್. ಅವಳಿ ಒಂಟಿ ಓಟಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೆಸರುವಾಸಿಯ ಆಟಗಾರ ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲ, ಪಂದ್ಯವನ್ನ ಹಿಡಿಯುವಂತಹ ಆಟಗಾರ ಈ ವಿಜಯ್. ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕರ್ ತುದಿಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ತಂಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡಿದ ಅನುಭವ ಎರಡೂ ತಂಡದ ಆಟಗಾರರಿಗಿದೆ. ಕಾರ್ಕಳ ತಂಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಲವಾರು ದಾಂಡುಗಾರರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಶೈಲಿಯ ಲೆಗ್ ಸ್ಪಿನ್ ಎಸೆತಗಾರರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲ, ಬಜಾಲ್ ತಂಡದಲ್ಲಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಹೊಡೆತಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೆಸರುವಾಸಿಯಾದಂತಹ ಆಟಗಾರರಿದ್ರೆ ಆಟಗಾರರನ್ನ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಹಾಕಬಲ್ಲಂತಹ ಎಸೆತಗಾರರು ಈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬಜಾಲ್ ತಂಡದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ದಾಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಹೊಡೆತಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನವನ್ನ ಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಅಡ್ಡ ಚೆಂಡು ಎನ್ನುವ ನಿಶಾನೆಯಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ತಂಡದ ಖಾತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 1+1 2 ಓಟ ಮುಂದುವರಿಯುತ್ತ ಅಂಕಪಟ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ 3 ಚೆಂಡುಗಳ ಮುಂದೆ 3 ಓಟಗಳು ಜಮೆಯಾಗಿದೆ. 3ಕ್ಕೆ 3 ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಈ ಪಂದ್ಯವನ್ನ ಗೆಲ್ಲುವವರು ಯಾರು ಎನ್ನುವ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇದೆ. ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿಯೂ ಈ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಪಂದ್ಯ ಪಂದ್ಯ ರೋಚಕವಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಕ್ರೀಡಾಭಿಮಾನಿಗಳೇ, ಕಳೆದ ವರ್ಷ ಇದೇ ಮೈದಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಿತ ತಂಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡಿದಂತಹ ಆಟಗಾರರನ್ನ ಈ ತೋಡಾರು ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಅನುಭವದ ಎಸೆತಗಾರ, ತೋಡಾರು ಪರಿಸರದ ಹಳೆಯ ಹುಲಿ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದರೂ ತಪ್ಪು ಆಗಲಾರದು. ಆಟಗಾರರನ್ನ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಹಾಕಿ ತನ್ನ 2 ಕೈಯನ್ನ ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆ ಎತ್ತಿಕೊಂಡು ಇಡೀ ಪ್ರೇಕ್ಷಕರ ಕೈ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯ ಸದ್ದುಗಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಪಾತ್ರವನ್ನು ವಹಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಆಗಮಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಬಾಯಿ 666. ಈ ಪಂದ್ಯದ ವೀಕ್ಷಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ತಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿ ತೋಡಾರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ತೋಡಾರು ಈ ತಂಡದ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಪಂದ್ಯದ ವೀಕ್ಷಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಬಾಯಿ 666. 2 ಬಜಾಲ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಕಾರ್ಕಳ ತಂಡಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ರೋಚಕ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಯ ಪಂದ್ಯಕೂಟಗಳು ಸಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಯಾಜ್ ಎಸೆದಂತಹ ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದು ಚೆಂಡುಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಮಹೇಶ್ ರವರಿಗೆ ಎದುರಿಸಲು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಕಠಿಣ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಆ ಬಳಿಕ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಮ್ಮ ಪಾಲಾಗಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಪಂದ್ಯದ ಚಿತ್ರಣವೇ ಬದಲಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಈ ಓವರಿನಲ್ಲಿ. ಕಾರಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಡ ಚೆಂಡನ್ನ ಎಸೆತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ರಿಯಾಜ್. ಅಕ್ರಮವಲ್ಲದ ಎಸೆತವನ್ನ ನಿಯಂತ್ರಿಸಲೇಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದು ನಾಕ್ಔಟ್ ಮಾದರಿಯ ಪಂದ್ಯ. ತನ್ನ ಓವರಿನ 5ನೇ ಚೆಂಡನ್ನ ಎಸೆಯಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ದಾಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಜಾಲ್ ತಂಡದ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿಯಾಜ್. ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ಮಟ್ಟದ ದಾಳಿ, ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದಂತಹ ಎಸೆತ ಇದು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಡ್ಡ ಚೆಂಡನ್ನ ಬಿಡಲು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನವನ್ನ ಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಆದ್ರೆ ರಿಯಾಜ್ ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಶೈಲಿಯ ಕಟ್ಟರ್ ಎಸೆತವನ್ನ ಎಸೆದಾಗ ತೀರ್ಪುಗಾರರಲ್ಲಿ ಮನವಿಯನ್ನಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಆ ತೀರ್ಪುಗಾರರಿಗೆ ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಚೆಂಡು ಗೂಟಕ್ಕೆ ತಗಲಿತ್ತು. ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಟಗಾರ ವಿಜೇತ್ರವರ ಆಟಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ್ಯವಾಗಿದೆ. ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲ, ಎದುರಿಸಿದ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಚೆಂಡುವಿಗೆ ಉದ್ದರಿಯನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ದಾಂಡುಗಾರಿಕಾ ವಿಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊನೆಯ ಚೆಂಡನ್ನ ಎಸೆಯಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಪೊಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಖ್ಯಾತಿಯ ವಿನೋದ್ ಪೊಲಾರ್ಡ್ ರವರ ಆಗಮನವಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಹೊತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೆಷ್ಟೋ ಪರಿಸರದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಜಿರೆಯ ಈ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿದಂತಹ ಆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಹೊಡೆತಗಳು ಸಾಧನೆಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿಯೂ ಆ ಹೊಡೆತಗಳು ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬಜಲ್ ತಂಡಕ್ಕೆ ತಾವು ಗರಿಷ್ಠ ಮೊತ್ತವನ್ನು ನೀಡಲೇಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಚೆಂಡುಗಳ ಮುಂದೆ ಅಂಕಪಟ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜಮೆಯಾಗಿದೆ 5 ಮಾತ್ರ. ಒಂದು ಉದ್ದರಿಯನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ 2 ಅಡ್ಡ ಚೆಂಡು, ಆ ಅಡ್ಡ ಚೆಂಡು ಕೂಡಿಸು ಒಂಟಿ ಓಟವನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ಬೈಸ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿಯೂ 5 ಓಟಗಳು ಜಮೆಯಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಆರಂಭದ 2 ಚೆಂಡುಗಳು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಲೀಲಾಜಾಲವಾಗಿ ಎಸೆದಿದ್ರು. ಅಡ್ಡ ಚೆಂಡನ್ನ ಎಸೆದ ಬಳಿಕ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ರಿಯಾಜ್. ಎದುರಿಸಿದ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಚೆಂಡುವಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಪಾಲಕ ಇಲ್ಲದ ಸ್ಥಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಧಾವಿಸಿತ್ತು ಚೆಂಡು. ಓಟಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆಯನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಗೂಟಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ 2 ಓಟವು ಕೂಡ ಪೂರ್ತಿ. 2 ಓಟವು ಕೂಡ ಪೂರ್ತಿಯಾಗುವುದರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಓವರ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಮುಕ್ತಾಯವಾಗಿದೆ. ತಂಡದ ಖಾತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 7 ಓಟಗಳು ಜಮೆಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಒಂದು ಉದ್ದರಿಯನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತಹ ಕಾರ್ಕಳ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೆ 6 ಚೆಂಡನ್ನ